If you want to enable or disable quick share on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to open the settings. Over here in settings, we're going to proceed to connected devices. And then in here, we should be able to choose quick share. Once we go to quick share, then over here we have who can share with you. Of course, if you set this to no one, you will disable quick share, but you can also set it to your devices or contacts. However, to make sure that your phone is detectable by other devices as well, you can of course set to everyone. By default, we use everyone for 10 minutes, but we can tap on this option to turn it off. So you will be still visible to everyone until you manually switch back. Another way to make sure that you are detectable on other devices is to go to the Quick Share app. So we can go, for example, to the Quick Settings panel or the Control Center. And then in here, at least by default, in this expandable area, we can find Quick Share. You can tap over here to go into the Quick Share app. And as long as you are here in the Receive menu, then you are temporarily visible to everyone. And here we can, of course, receive and send files depending what you want to do. Leave a like and subscribe.